Want to lose weight while still enjoying delicious food? It sounds absurd, right? But what if I told you it's possible? Imagine shedding those pesky pounds without having to compromise on the joy of eating tasty meals. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, we're about to take you on a culinary journey, exploring 10 fantastic foods that are not only mouth-wateringly good, but also your allies in weight loss. So, buckle up your taste buds and stay tuned as we unveil the top 10 foods that can help you shed those extra pounds without compromising on taste. Welcome, thrill seekers and trivia buffs. We're your go-to for electrifying top 10s, bringing you the most exhilarating, intriguing, and mind-blowing lists. From sports to history, human achievements to nature wonders, we've got it all. Our team sifts through information, unearthing fascinating gems for you. Each video promises a roller coaster ride of discovery, your passport to the extraordinary. Remember the name, Mr.SmileTV, your gateway to the incredible world of top 10s. Stay curious, inspired, and as always, keep smiling. Starting our countdown at number 10 is quinoa, the super grain. Often referred to as a complete protein, quinoa is a rare plant food that offers all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce themselves. This makes it a fantastic choice for those looking to build lean muscle while also shedding pounds. But that's not all. Quinoa also packs a remarkable amount of fiber, nearly twice as much as most grains, aiding in digestion and keeping you feeling full longer, which is a key component in weight loss. It's also a great source of iron and magnesium, which helps maintain healthy metabolism. And the best part? Quinoa is incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals. Whether it's a breakfast bowl, a salad for lunch, or a dinner side, quinoa can take on many roles in your diet. So next time you think of a nutritious meal, don't forget to include quinoa. It's a small grain with big benefits. Moving on to number 9, we have the colorful and delicious berries. Bursting with flavor and brimming with nutrients, berries are a versatile superfood that can add a healthy punch to any meal or snack. There's a whole array of berries to choose from, each with their unique flavor profiles and health benefits. We have the classic strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, all of which are known for their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are vital in fighting off harmful free radicals in our body, promoting overall health and wellness. Berries are also a fantastic source of fiber. A diet rich in fiber can help maintain a healthy digestive system, which can contribute significantly to weight management. The fiber in berries helps you feel full and satisfied for longer, preventing overeating and unnecessary snacking. So whether you're adding them to your morning oatmeal, blending them into a smoothie, or just enjoying them as they are, berries are a delightful way to support weight loss efforts. Remember, a handful of berries a day keeps the excess weight away. At number 8, we have almonds, the crunchy delight. These little powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, a trio that's crucial for weight loss. The high protein content in almonds helps maintain and repair body tissues, while the healthy fats contribute to heart health. But the real magic lies in the fiber. This nutrient keeps you feeling full and satisfied, so you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. Did you know that almonds are also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that fights off harmful free radicals in your body? Not to mention they are an excellent source of magnesium, essential for muscle function and sleep. Almonds are versatile and easy to incorporate into your meals. You can enjoy them raw as a snack, add them to your salads or yogurt, or even grind them into almond butter. So sprinkle some almonds on your food for that extra crunch and nutrition. Coming in at number 7 is Greek yogurt, the creamy wonder. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse packing twice as much protein as regular yogurt. This means it can keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, which is great news for those looking to shed a few pounds. But the benefits of Greek yogurt don't stop there. It's also packed with probiotics. These are beneficial bacteria that can help improve your gut health and aid digestion. Better digestion means your body can more efficiently process the foods you eat, reducing the likelihood of weight gain. Greek yogurt is also lower in sugar and sodium compared to regular yogurt, making it an even better choice for weight loss. It's versatile too, making it an easy addition to your diet. Enjoy it on its own, mix it with fresh fruit, or use it as a healthier substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise. Include Greek yogurt in your diet for a protein-packed, weight-loss-friendly snack. Halfway through our list at number 6 we have green tea. An ancient beverage with an impressive pedigree, green tea is more than just a soothing drink. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants called catechins, which are believed to work wonders for the body. Among these, a star player is Epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, a substance that can boost your metabolism. So what does this mean for weight loss? Well, a faster metabolism means your body can burn calories more efficiently, aiding in weight management. Plus, green tea's natural compounds can help break down fat, making it easier for your body to use fat for energy. But that's not all. Green tea is also known for its calming effect, making it a great stress reliever. And we all know how stress can lead to comfort eating. So, replace your regular cup of joe with green tea for a healthier alternative. Cracking the top 5 is the superfood avocado. This green delight is more than just a trendy toast topper. It's a nutritional powerhouse that's loaded with benefits, especially for those looking to shed a few pounds. Avocados are rich in dietary fiber. This not only aids digestion but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals, which can be a real game changer in your weight loss journey. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These are heart-friendly and help the body absorb vitamins. So, you're not only getting a tasty treat, but you're also giving your body a health boost. And the best part? You can easily incorporate avocados into your diet. From salads and sandwiches to smoothies and desserts, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy this nutritious fruit. So, add some avocado slices to your meal for a healthy weight loss friendly addition. At number 4 we have eggs, the breakfast of champions. A versatile kitchen staple, eggs are an exceptional source of high-quality protein. This makes them a power-packed ally in your weight management journey. Each egg is a compact package of essential nutrients, and the protein content in particular is a champion for satiety. It slows down digestion, keeping those hunger pangs at bay for longer. This means you're less likely to reach for that mid-morning snack, aiding in overall calorie reduction. But the benefits of eggs don't stop at just protein. They're also loaded with an array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, and choline, a nutrient vital for brain function. Eggs are not just a wholesome food, they're also easy to prepare in a multitude of ways. Scrambled, poached, or boiled, they're a quick and convenient choice. So, start your day with eggs for a filling and nutritious breakfast. Coming in at number 3 is salmon, the seafood superstar. This delectable fish is not only a culinary delight but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can aid in your weight loss journey. What makes salmon the perfect addition to your diet? Well, let's dive in. Salmon is packed with high-quality protein. This protein takes longer to digest, which means you feel full for a longer period of time, leading to less snacking and fewer calories consumed throughout the day. But what really sets salmon apart is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are not just heart-healthy, they also stimulate the metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently. And that's not all. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to reduce inflammation, which can play a significant role in obesity and metabolic disease. So if you're looking for a delicious way to shed those extra pounds, look no further than salmon. Include salmon in your meals for a lean protein source that's weight loss friendly. At number 2, we have lean meats, the protein powerhouse. Now, when it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients, and lean meats are a fantastic source of high-quality protein. The beauty of protein is that it can work in 2 ways. First, it helps to keep you feeling full. You know that feeling when your stomach is growling just an hour after eating? That's less likely to happen when you include lean meats in your meals. Secondly, your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does when digesting fats or carbohydrates. This is known as the thermic effect of food, and it's one of the reasons why high-protein diets can aid in weight loss. Lean meats like chicken breast, turkey, and lean cuts of red meat are all excellent choices. They're not just high in protein but also packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and zinc. So, opt for lean meats for a high-protein, low-fat option. And finally, at number 1, we have leafy greens, the green gold. These vibrant veggies are a dieter's best friend, but they're not just for those watching their weight. They're packed with nutrients that everyone can benefit from. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collards are incredibly low in calories. You could practically eat them all day without making a dent in your daily calorie intake. But don't let their lightness fool you. They're heavyweights when it comes to nutrition, offering an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the major perks of leafy greens is their high fiber content. Fiber is a non-digestible carbohydrate that adds bulk to your diet. This helps you feel full longer, which can prevent overeating and lead to weight loss. But it's not just about the scale. The nutrients in leafy greens can boost your overall health, from improving digestion to strengthening your immune system. So make a place for leafy greens on your plate for a low-calorie, high-nutrient food option. There you have it, the top 10 foods that can help you lose weight while still tickling your taste buds. From the protein-packed quinoa and lean meats, to the antioxidant-rich berries and green tea, these foods not only aid in weight loss, but also keep your palate entertained. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet can make your weight loss journey both delectable and effective. Remember, the journey to weight loss doesn't have to be boring. With these foods, it can be delicious and rewarding. Catch you in the next one. Hey there, you've made it to the end of another thrilling video. Your support means we can continue providing top-notch content. So, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's your VIP pass to all our latest videos. But wait, there's more. To never miss a beat, give that notification bell a friendly tap. Yes, that little icon right there. By doing so, you'll be among the first to know when we upload new content. Remember, your participation fuels our motivation, so subscribe, ring that bell, and join our community of enthusiasts. We're excited to have you on board. See you in the next video.